Hey guys, it's Nick here. I hope you are all doing well. It's a beautiful, what day is today? Thursday, Friday, Friday afternoon, and I've been doing some work in the garden with the kids. And I was reflecting on Tuesday's collective calls, and the topic was on how to uncover the unconscious beliefs that are holding you back. And one of the beliefs that came up more than expected, not more than expected, but something that I just kind of don't think of a lot, was the belief that it's unsafe to be happy. And a lot of people carry this belief and don't realize it. And, if alignment is your goal and alignment's where you step in your power with the law of attraction, if you're not allowing yourself to be consistently happy, then you're not allowing yourself to have high and stable states of alignment. And you're going to struggle when it comes to intuition, experiencing more synchronicity, and of course leading life as a leading edge creator. So I'm very curious to find out how many people actually carry that fear, that feeling of unsafety, that it's not safe to be happy. Because logically, consciously, rationally, we think it doesn't make sense. But it's so easy for the subconscious mind to associate certain things as being dangerous. So, for example, one of the ladies on Tuesday's live call, for her, she recognized at the age of maybe 15 or 16, she had one of the happiest days of her life. And then the very next day, she found out her grandmother had passed away. And subconsciously, her subconscious mind associated the two circumstances in some way. And from that moment onwards, she felt like it was no longer safe to be happy because if she was happy, bad things would happen. So, what I'd like you to do is just ask yourself this question, if I were really, really happy, if happiness was my consistent state, does that feel unsafe, or what's the worst thing that could happen? So, one more time, if I was truly happy all the time, does that feel unsafe? What's the worst thing that could happen? See what pops in your head. See if something comes to mind. And if so, I would love to know. Just drop a comment on this video. Yes, no, you can leave it as simple as that. Or if you want to leave a more detailed comment, let me know in what way does being happy feel unsafe for you. I'm very curious to see how many people have this alignment block that could possibly be holding you back. So thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you. Hope you leave a comment. Yes, no. Drop that comment. Let me know. And bye for now.